From the spark of a dream, a fire was born. Through the trials and the nights, our souls were sworn. On wheels of courage, through flame and fight, Dilaab Bisaya, our guiding light. Oh, so white 24, we rose with might, a brotherhood blazing through the night. Blue flames roar, our spirits soar. Dilaab Bisaya, forevermore. We ride together, hearts aligned. No fear, no doubt, one burning mind. Through every storm, through every test, we give our all, we give our best. Flaming skulls upon the road carry stories yet untold. Bound by trust and unity's called Dilaab Bisaya, we stand tall. From the cities through the mountains high, our banner burns across the sky. We serve with honor, we live with pride. For culture and kin will never hide. Slave of Dilaab Bisaya, flame of the brave, born to ignite, born to save. Through unity and passion's fire, we rise above, we climb higher. Service, pride, and hearts aflame. Dilaab Bisaya, remember the name. In every road, in every cry, the Dilaab spirit will never die. Through the echoes of laughter and pain, our brotherhood stands again and again. With helmets high and engines loud, we ride with honor, fierce and proud. No one's left behind, no one's alone. In every heart our fire is known. We lift each other when times are tough. Dilaab Bisaya, our love's enough. We serve not for glory, but for the flame. For every heart that knows our name. Through helping hands and burning will, we light the dark, the night stands still. From every province, every shore, our unity shines forevermore. We are the spark that breaks the chain. Through Dilaab fire, we'll rise again. Flurry wa, Dilaab Bisaya, the fire that unites, burning strong through endless nights. With hearts of courage, spirits high, our flame will reach beyond the sky. Through cultural pride and passion's hue, we keep the old yet build the new. Dilaab Bisaya, forever we reign, lighting the world through joy and pain. We carry the soul of the Bisaya flame, our roots, our tongue, our honored name. Through every beat of drum and dance, we hold our ground, we take our stance. For our land, our faith, our kin, we fight, we serve, we rise again. Through every story, through every song, the flame of Dilaab keeps us strong. Passion's fire will never fade. Through time and storm, it's how we're made. Our spirits burn, our hearts collide. Together we live, together we ride. We are the light through every storm. A family bound in fire's form. In every soul, our purpose stays. The Dilaab flame forever blaze. Flavor, Dilaab Bisaya, flame of the free, rising with strength, our legacy. Through unity, service, pride, and fire, we climb the roads that lead us higher. From the ashes to the endless skies, our spirit roars, it never dies. Dilaab Bisaya, forever I cry. One flame, one heart, we'll never say goodbye. So when the engines roar tonight, and blue flames dance in silver light, remember this, our bond, our name. Dilaab Bisaya, eternal flame. We are the spark that lights the sky, the riders of hope that never die. Through time, through hearts, through every mile, Dilaab Bisaya, forever